I get up in the morning and I come to work because I like building stuff. I like building stuff that I want to build, and I like having complete control over the process. Money is the least of my worries. I try and live my life not having to think about money at all. We've been able to do some things that rival world-class shops, and two people in a little shop in the country, you know, and it's kind of cool to have that capacity. It's not that I'm attracted to cars, but cars were a means to let me do what I wanted to do and express my creativity. It's like creating stuff, to be honest. You know, I'm just an artist. It's a challenge. Like, it's one of the biggest challenges, building a race car, a road race car. I mean, things that are pushed to the limits that, you know, if it breaks, usually that's because you did something wrong too, you know? Someone brings us a project and it's possible, it doesn't matter if it's probable. If it's possible, we'll do it. We'll find a way to do it. And there's a lot of shops that won't, because they're thinking about the profit, you know, the bottom line, the liability, all the, you know, is this going to make us look good? And I don't care about that. This is the fab section. We got a TIG welder. We have kind of our long-term projects, some interesting projects over here, race cars. Over here, just kind of like a little grinding saw, just kind of clean area, keep all the dust in. Then back here, we have the creation station. Yeah, this is where we just make chips, and they go everywhere, everywhere. Like, there's chips in everything that I own. I really like to tell people I build dreams. That sounds corny, but that's kind of what we do. It does sound corny. I've said that on video before and I didn't like it. But that's the truth. Really, my ideal future is just freedom, if that makes any sense. I want to be able to go anywhere and build anything. That bus back there is actually another project of mine, and that's going to be half shop. You put a car in the back and have the CNCs too, so I could go anywhere. Be able to go to a race and have a car in the back, unload it, say anything happened, anything broke, you know, you could help out other people at the track. It would just let me be completely free. I'm Vince Ramirez, and I'm an artist, welder, fabricator.